Most people translate the Arabic word deen as religion, and technically, that's not wrong. But here's the problem. The word religion often sounds like something you keep private, something you do inside a building for a short part of your life. But Islam doesn't fit in that small box. So today, we're going to look at one simple question. Is Islam a religion or is it a deen? And why does the difference matter? In English, religion comes from the Latin religio, meaning a bond or ritual duty. But the Arabic word deen, it's rooted in deen, meaning obligation, way of life, or a system of ruling. So what's the actual difference in scope? Religion is usually private worship and personal beliefs, individual morality and salvation. It's something you do in the mosque or at home. Then you step out into the real world and follow secular rules. Deen, on the other hand, is a complete system for all of life. It includes worship and rituals, yes, but also economics, like the prohibition of riba and the obligation of zakat, family law and social relationships, justice and governance, and a huge idea people forget: accountability. Even the phrase Yawm Ideen means the day of judgment, the day of accountability. Islam is not only a religion, Islam is deen, something you don't just practice, you live. Allah says in the Quran, "This day I have perfected for you your deen and completed my favor upon you and have chosen for you Islam as deen." Deen is not a compartment of life, it is life. The Quran uses deen over 90 times, not to describe worship alone, but to talk about how we judge, earn, marry, govern, and treat each other. Allah says, "This deen is the straight path, not just a path to heaven, but a path for every choice we make." When many people hear religion, they think worship, fasting, and that's it. Then real life is separate. Work is work, business is business, and religion stays in the background. But Islam keeps stepping into real life. It talks about how you earn money, how you speak, how you handle power, how you treat parents, spouses, neighbors, even strangers. So if we only call Islam a religion, some of us unconsciously shrink it into rituals, while our character stay untouched. And that's exactly why this distinction matters. When you start living Islam as a deen, it changes your money, your family, and your character. But it also creates one massive misunderstanding that pushes people away, which I'll clear up in just a minute. First, let's make this real with 3 quick examples. Example 1, money and work. If Islam is only religion, then Islam is what you do in the masjid. But if Islam is deen, then Islam also shows up in your paycheck. It's halal income. It's being truthful in business, even when lying would make you more money. That's deen. Example 2, family and relationships. If Islam is only religion, then being religious means you pray and fast. But deen also means how you treat your mother when she repeats the same thing 10 times, how you treat your spouse when you're angry, how you speak in the house when nobody's watching your religious image. That's also deen. Example 3, character. When nobody's watching, deen is controlling your anger. Deen is keeping promises. Deen is lowering the ego. Deen is being fair, even when you have the power to be unfair. So the difference is this: Islam isn't meant to be a label you wear. Islam is meant to be a character you build. Now let's clear up a big misunderstanding. When people hear Islam is a complete way of life, some think it means forcing Islam on everyone, controlling people, or pushing religion onto others. That's not the point. Islam, being deen, is first about self-discipline, not controlling others. It's about responsibility, not coercion. And the Quran is clear that there's no compulsion in deen. So deen is not I force you. Deen is I commit myself to Allah with honesty, mercy, justice, and consistency. So Islam is deen. Worship plus character. Worship plus ethics. Worship plus real life decisions. Every day. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to take Islam seriously but feels stuck. Here's the line to remember. If Islam is only a religion, it stays in rituals. If Islam is deen, it shapes your whole life.